I mainly use fondant, but of course we've discussed that you don't have to use fondant in your moulds. You can use marzipan or whatever you are decorating, chocolate, but I'm going to show you with fondant. So in your mould, you want to put some either corn flour in your mould, so just pop it in like that and tap it off. This is just to stop your fondant sticking in the mould, or just a little bit of Trex, which is a white vegetable fat, just smear it into your mould and get it in all the crevices, again, to stop your fondant.
So we're doing the
sticking.
reindeer this time?
Yeah, do a little reindeer, see how he comes out. So I like to pop the different colours of fondant into each section of the reindeer, depending on what colour would be appropriate there. There's a scarf there.
So it's just worth thinking about which bits to start with. So you just,
Yeah.
this is the first thing that,
The
this is
first
like
thing
the
that
bit that
I
sticks out
would
the most.
come to, yeah, I would think, oh, let's do his scarf. That makes sense to start there.
So in terms of tools, you know, what sort of bits do you recommend there? Just
I like a tool like this because it just allows you, because obviously your fingers are quite fat sometimes, aren't they? So this just allows you to get the fondant into the little areas. It's just a Dresden tool and they're fairly cheap. You can get a whole pack of these tools off of Hobbycraft, out of Hobbycraft. Yeah, they don't cost a lot. So it's just worth having something like that. It saves your sanity a bit. And then next I would perhaps add in the feet of the reindeer.
do you want the detail, but they're not too fiddly for this bit. They're clearly divided into manageable sections.
Yes, yeah. I mean, some moulds are more detailed than others. Obviously, when we get onto like the holly, they are fairly quick to sort of pull together. But something like the reindeer, you do just have to take a bit more time if you want a result like I'm going to show you today.
And if you're buying, actually with fondant, can you mix up the colours too? Like,
Yeah,
would you need the colours to make a grey, obviously black and white? Would you?
Yeah, you can buy, so this is the fondant that I recommend, well, we at Katy Sue recommend this fondant. It's a Renshaw Extra, because that works really well with the moulds. It's not too soft, so it's not
recommend that? That's good enough for us.
Yeah, that's highly recommended. And then for colouring, so the fondant I get is white, and then for colouring, I always use a gel-based colour, so Rainbow Dust, a Pro Gel. And they come in so many different colours. So
really?
Yeah, but you can mix the red with a yellow to make an orange, for instance, just like paints.
That's really good to know.
Yeah.
And it's edible. It's just artistic food on another level.
It's all edible. It's the best type of art.
Well, they say they eat with your eyes sometimes.
Yeah, we're going to give him a red nose because he's Rudolph.
Absolutely, got to be done.
I think I'll give him a different colour mouth area.
And it's very pliable as well. It's just neat and it's not gungy or...
No, it's not sticking to my fingers or anything, but if you do find that it sticks to your fingers, then just put a little bit of corn flour on your fingers and that will just stop it sticking. Some people have really quite hot hands. I've got quite cold hands. So I find it doesn't really stick to my fingers that much, but if it does, just use a bit of corn flour and that will stop it from sticking.
Nice. And again, that could be marzipan, that could be chocolate you're going to pour in there.
Yeah, anything. You could just have an experiment with edible things and see how it works. Obviously not everything would work.
No.
But...
And you're just working it in there, you know, just guiding it in.
Just guide it in, push it in with your fingers. Obviously, the antlers are a little bit more of a tricky...
You just feed it in,
They're just a bit more of a tricky area, but if you just take your time, it will go in there.
And this is the thing, this is the kind of thing you could do with the kids or grandkids, maybe after lunch, or just the build-up to Christmas is such a lovely part of that time of the year. This is great. Maybe you got your Christmas presents wrapped, and do you know what, I could sit down quite happily, TV on in the background, favourite Christmas film, and just make your own cakes. You could just buy a load of cakes from a local supermarket and just decorate them. Yeah,
it's just such a nice time to do crafts.
Yeah,
especially ones that you can eat as well. Is something that everybody really enjoys. Yeah, so I think I've pressed that all in there. You have to press quite firmly to make sure that you've picked up all the detail.
Never made my own Christmas cake, or my own mince pies, actually.
Yeah? Oh, I always make my own mince pies.
I mean, that just came out so easily.
It did. It comes out super easy.
It looks like a little toy or something from a high-end toy shop. It doesn't look like fondant.
No.
It looks too good for that almost.
It does. It looks. Yeah, I agree. Then you can
Just you know, if you buy pre-decorated cakes, they look a bit. I'm a bit of a snob when it comes to decorating, but that it looks so high end and so professional.
It does.
And I reckon anyone can get that result.
Anyone could. Just a little bit of practice, and you can easily do that yourself. So,
Do you let fondant dry or something? No.
if you say, oh, not if I'm just going to put this straight on top of a biscuit or something, but like some decorations, if you want them to stand up on top of your cake, like you would let them dry off,
Let them
and
dry
then
off,
they'd be, they'd be quite firm and they wouldn't flop.
So that you can have a series of them all the way around the Christmas cake, or do you maybe got one big cake and with your family you're going to be adding to it their own decorations. Oh, stop it! I think we're all hungry. Everyone's eyeing that up now. Lynsey. What was that, by the way? Just icing?
That was just some icing, yeah, a bit roughly put on, but oh, wrong way around. There, so.
There you go. Oh, that looks fab. There you go.
Yeah. Quite sweet.
If you're making and selling, which you can do, can't you? Actually,
Yeah.
like little, if you're allowed to, obviously, like fairs and so on. That's going to be really, really impressive.
Oh, that would be really popular too, wouldn't it? Yeah. So you can use these to make and sell your bakes. So that's not an issue.
Yeah, it's really impressive. And do you know, if you are thinking about, just when you go out to dinner parties, it's that party season, isn't it, with Christmas? Then just turning up with these, it's just really good fun. And hasn't got to be expensive cakes or anything really. It's not really that expensive craft once you've got a few little bits, is it?
No, once you've got your basics, yeah, and it's not expensive to bake. I mean, that's just a basic cupcake, a bit of icing, and we've used our mould to make a reindeer, and you can make 3 characters out of that mould. So
yeah,
actually that's quite good value. You've not just got one character.
Yeah, it's good value.
Yeah,
really
you've got 3 characters there. So the next one we're looking at is the wreath, which is just absolutely beautiful. This one is so effective when it comes out.
So there's a little bow first.
Yeah, I always start with the bow. I don't know why.
That's like
You
a
don't need
dressed
to.
moulding tool, is it?
Yeah.
Which
And
you don't have to have, but you can see it does help.
Yeah, because if I'm trying to work that with my fingers, I'll probably get in a little bit of a muddle trying to do that. But I'm sure there's probably some tools you could find at home. I think when I first started off, I think I used to use something, it was like a Play-Doh tool, but it's basically kind of the same.
It's similar to feel like
the
you are,
same
I suppose.
sort of thing.
And you just work from the front, really, don't you? So you just think
What colours are going to pop out
you might just do
first.
one plain one just to see it,
Yeah, sometimes sometimes moulds can be difficult to see, or which bit do I need to start with? But as soon as you've done a mould or two, you very quickly learn where you need to sort of start
And
off.
the packaging's handy for that, actually. It's a
Yeah.
bit of inspiration.
Yeah, so like I feel like I could really do with looking at the packaging now. Sometimes it's easy to miss some of the berry areas, yeah, but I think I've mainly got them all.
You think it's going to be fiddly. It's actually not. I mean, look how quickly we can do this. And
It's not really that fiddly, no.
you can always pull it out and reduce the size.
Yeah. And also, I've used this mould here with some biscuit dough and baked that in the oven. So you don't even have to use fondant. That's just the biscuit dough pressed into here, popped on top of another biscuit, and then baked. And then you get this lovely sort of Christmas biscuit that would look good hanging on a tree or
That
something,
does look
wouldn't
fab,
it?
doesn't it?
Yeah.
It's great. I just want to build a collection of little edible paints and sprays and things. Do you know, even if you just got just a green fondant to start with, that would be enough. Because the moulds, they do speak for themselves. You don't need an awful lot. I mean, you can spend hours now just when it's finished, just painting and highlighting with this, like a little tiny model. You could. Why not? And do you know what? If you find it mindful, if you enjoy it, then that's time very well spent.
Yeah, and sort of time does really fly by when I find it flies by when I'm doing this. I'm not clock watching because it's just enjoyable.
To anything
to
creative
do.
that you're into, it does fly.
Yeah, before you know it, a few hours have gone by. You need to press the green in and make sure you get the green into all the areas on the outside because that's where all the lovely sort of fur, what do you call them? pine.
But they're pine cones, aren't they?
Pine needly bits.
Pine needly bits, yeah.
You know what I mean.
It's that sort of area, isn't it?
The leafy bits.
We've got 20 minutes left on the show, so any more questions, folks, email us in studio@hobbycraft.co.uk. Or maybe you've made something using Katy Sue Moulds. Can you send us in a picture if you're able to? We'd love to get it shown live on Hobbycraft TV for you.
That'd be lovely, wouldn't it?
Yeah, it'd be great.
So here's the wreath.
That is one of the best reveals out of the moulds we've got. It's such a packed wreath. It's like a little miniature little world we've got there.
It's hugely detailed.
I mean, even the little little pip stemmy bits from like the berries.
Yeah, the little bits in the middle. Yeah.
You've got those, and the pine cones. There's so much.
Yeah, it's a small mould, a small decoration really for all that detail if you think about it.
Oh, here we go.
And then you can put it.
Oh, is this for the crew? Oh, Lynsey, you shouldn't have done. Oh, how did you know? No.
Yeah, and then you can paint the ribbon if you like.
Yeah, why not?
Let's go for it.
We won't steal this, girl. You're taking this home, aren't you?
We're going to be eating it for tea.
Oh, yeah. So you're going to be eating a cake that was seen on Hobbycraft TV.
A famous cake.
The most famous you'll log on Shop and Telly at the moment.
It is.
We've got a bit of silver. No.
A bit of silver this time.
Oh, there's a little bit of frosting. And again, you can leave it as it is, but this is the fun. You just know when to stop. But that just added little highlights.
Yes. Just the little finishing touches is
What's
it's all
you
about.
using there, by the way? Sorry, what was that?
This is from Rainbow Dust. I'll show you. They just metallic paints.
Metallic paints, right, okay.
So they come in different colours, so gold, silver, we've got
So you can get
reds.
edible metallic paints.
You can.
Readily available again.
Yeah, that's right.
And there you have it. That looks fab.
Looks so nice,
really
doesn't
good.
it? Yeah.
Honestly, you've made us very hungry.